everyone, welcome back to Fitwit. This is your go-to destination for all your queries on food, wellness and finance. My name is Shona Prabhu, and in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can manage your diabetes better with good food choices, because a healthy diet is key to managing your blood sugar levels. Now, to truly understand this, we've got to first figure out and understand what is diabetes. Diabetes occurs when our body is unable to regulate the blood sugar levels well. And these blood sugars are usually got from eating carbohydrate-rich foods. So foods such as roti, rice, idli, dosa, pasta, bread are rich in carbohydrates, and once they are digested in our stomach and intestine, they form blood glucose. Now this blood glucose is absorbed into our bloodstream. Now from here it has to enter into our cells where they're used as fuel for energy. So this is the process. Now when we have diabetes, there's high blood sugar in our bloodstream. So how does that happen? So I'm going to explain this in a simple way. Now think of it this way. Every cell has a door in front of it, and blood sugar has to enter via the door into our cells. But for that we need a key to open the door, and your key is insulin. So insulin, when there's enough insulin, this mechanism happens properly. But sometimes there's insulin resistance, which means that this door and key do not function well, or the door remains locked. And one of the reasons is due to high body fat levels, or it's due to being overweight, or due to excessive consumption of carbohydrate-rich foods. So when there's constantly high blood sugars, this mechanism gets tired and then it stops functioning well. These are some food and nutrition changes you can make to manage your blood sugar levels better. The first thing is a healthy meal plate concept. In this concept, I want you to visualize your plate into 4 quarters. The first quarter will have carbohydrate foods, the second quarter will have protein foods, and the remaining 2 quarters will be your fiber-rich foods, which come from your vegetables. So when you eat like this, your amount of carbohydrates are kept in check, and you have enough protein and fibers to manage your blood sugar levels better. Or the second point is eating complex carbohydrates. So not just in your meal plates, but even otherwise, whenever you choose carbohydrates, these complex carbohydrates are better than refined ones. So when I say complex carbohydrates, they're carbohydrates which retain their fiber and nutrients. So brown rice, bajra, jowar, millets, these are all complex carbohydrates. So an easy way to remember this is most of their colors are brown. And complex carbohydrates prevent sudden spikes from happening, because they regulate blood sugar levels by allowing glucose to be absorbed slow and steadily into the body. The third point is protein-rich foods. Now, proteins also prevent blood sugar spikes because they don't digest and form sugars. Okay, so these foods really help prevent, blood sugar spikes, and they also keep you full. So then you don't tend to overeat or consume more carbohydrates to fill your stomach. So good protein sources like chicken, fish, eggs, low-fat dairy, soya, tofu, beans like rajma, chickpeas, black chana, all of these are good sources of proteins to include in your meals. And the fourth thing is to increase fiber-rich foods. So we have teeth for a reason, so that we can chew our foods and take benefit from the fiber that's available in these foods. So vegetables like green leafy vegetables, salads, or fruit that have a lot of fiber like apples, citrus fruits, all of these contain a lot of fiber in them, and these are good when you are looking at managing blood sugar levels. The Next point is to choose healthy snack options. Here, a lot of us tend to choose high carbohydrate foods for snacks like sandwich or bakery items. Could be, idli, dosa, or such things. And finding healthier alternates like makhana, popcorn, a fruit, or nuts and seeds, boiled eggs, sprouts. These are great healthier alternates for snacks and can manage your blood sugar levels better. So while I've spoken about foods that you can include, here are some foods that you need to minimize or avoid. The first thing is refined foods. So white rice, maida, and all these sugars have the tendency to spike your blood sugar levels very quickly. Now, the second thing is bakery foods, fried foods, and very high calorie foods. Now, these generally, tend to increase body fat and also cause insulin resistance because they make us put on weight. And the third one is to just, stay away from foods that are very highly processed and again that contain a lot of additives because these are unhealthy for the body. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe by hitting on the bell button. And if you have any queries or you want us to speak about a particular topic, feel free to email us on fitwitglobal@gmail.com. Looking forward to seeing you next week. Have a good weekend.